You are right, Zumi. It is too hot. Let's rest under that big tree. Much better. What are you doing, Zumi? Just do not get in trouble. Zumi? What did I say about staying out of trouble?
Just one more block.
Careful, Leo. That doesn't look very stable. Do you need our help?
No thanks, Katie. I can do this alone, as long as I'm very, very careful.
No!
I'll get it next time. Oh, hi, Junior Ranger Jane. What's up?
Hi, Leo. Zumi has created a bit of a situation. She destroyed a giant nest.
Uh-oh. Are the birds all right?
They are, but they are mad. Just look at their angry faces.
I don't know. They look pretty calm to me.
They are not. What should we do, Leo?
We should help them rebuild their giant nest, of course.
Little birds with a giant nest? I have to see this.
Hey, wait for me, Katie. Don't worry, Jane. We're on it. We'll be with you in no time. Ranger out.
Ranger out.
See you later.
Let's see what we've got here. These birds are called sociable weavers.
Wow, that's a huge nest.
It sure is, Leo. Sociable weavers build one of the largest nests. The biggest sociable weavers' nests can hold up to 400 birds with close to 100 nesting chambers. Some nests have been around for 100 years. The nest also sees plenty of guests. Other bird species, like the pygmy falcon, use the sociable weaver's nest for its own home. Vultures and eagles would rest on the wide roof. Other animals also use the nest for shade.
Whoa, it's not just a nest. It brings animals together. Come on, Katie. Let's check this out.
Way ahead of you, Leo. See you downstairs.
Ranger Leo all set. Woohoo! Dream Rangers to the rescue! Rival update! Hi, Jane. Hi, Zumi. Who are we hiding from?
Angry birds.
Cheer up, Zumi. We'll help you make it up to the Weavers.
Where is the nest anyway?
All the way over there.
Let's go. Oh, come on. I'm sure the sociable Weavers are not that mad. Hello, Weavers. Ouch! Stop that! I was wrong. They're really mad.
Ow!
Please, we're just here to help.
We said we are sorry.
Ouch!
Ouch! Let's retreat for now.
They're leaving?
Is it over?
Where did they return to the nest all of a sudden?
Snakes.
I see them. They're the eggs. Come on, Rangers. Help with the eggs. Cheerfully. Take one grabber. You and Hero get the eggs to safety.
On it, Leo. Jetpack activate.
Jane, activate. Plan Dust Storm.
Got it.
Jetpack, activate.
Where are the eggs? Oh, oops, sorry. No eggs for you. Off you go now.
It's working. The snakes are irritated by the dust. Nice work, Rangers.
No sweat.
Uh-oh, the sociable Weavers are back.
It is okay, Leo. I think we are forgiven.
There. The eggs should be safe here.
But we can't keep the eggs here forever. We'll have to rebuild the nest as soon as possible. This looks like a big job.
Speaking of big,
Ranger Rocky!
Hello, Junior Rangers. My, what do we have here? I see. If you'd like to rebuild the nest, there's something you should know. Sociable weavers work together to build their huge nest. While most weaver birds build nests by intertwining weeds and dry grasses together, like weaving a basket, sociable weavers use them. They can add more material to their nest until it becomes a huge nest. These hardworking birds don't put up with lazy or selfish behaviors either. Lazy social weavers need to wait.
It's a big job, but it's possible if we work together. Also, no lazy rangers here.
I'm sure of that, Leo. Oh, no problem, Mr. Elephant. I have to leave now, but my friend would like to lend you Rangers a hand. Or a trunk.
Awesome! Bye, Ranger Rocky! Come on, Rangers. Let's work together with the Weavers to rebuild the nest.
All right. So that's the plan. Is everyone clear?
We sure are. Thanks, Katie. Operation Nest Rebuild is a go.
Stage 1. Gather the broken nest. Stage 2. Assemble.
Nice and easy. Okay, you go here. First, some Weavers over there. Slowly. Come to me.
Jetpack activate.
You could really use your help. I'm gonna need more twigs over here. Thanks. It's coming together perfectly. I think we're about done. Katie, what's the final stage?
We return the eggs, of course. Will you do the honors, Mr. Elephant?
Got it. Mission accomplished. That was a big job.